In this video, we are going to show you how to close all open apps at once on your Windows PC or laptop. The command prompt on Windows can help you quickly launch or close apps and programs. Here's how. Press the Windows and X keys and click on Terminal Admin from the list. Click Yes on the UAC prompt. Now, type the command and press Enter. That's it. Lastly, you can also use a third-party app to do this. Download the Close All application and install it on your computer. Launch the app. Tick the checkboxes for all the apps you wish to close. Then click the OK button. All the apps will be killed at once on your Windows device. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.